Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Samsung smartwatch with your mobile device. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. First, make sure both your watch and phone have at least 50% battery life. Next, download the Samsung Wearable application from your phone's App Store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device to prepare for pairing. Let's get started with these simple initial steps. Now that you've completed the initial setup, it's time to prepare for pairing. Open the Samsung Wearable application on your mobile phone. You'll see an option to start or connect new device. Tap on that. Simultaneously, ensure your Samsung smartwatch is powered on and positioned close to your phone. This proximity helps establish a strong and quick connection between the two devices, making the next steps. When choosing a card, first consider the annual fee. Many excellent options have no fee at all. Next, examine the reward structure. Do you spend a lot on travel, office supplies, or advertising? Pick a card that maximizes rewards in those categories. Also, pay close attention to the interest rate and any introductory annual percentage rate offers, especially if you anticipate carrying a balance. Finally, review the credit limits and any specific spending categories for bonus rewards. After successful pairing, the application will transfer essential data and settings to your new smartwatch. This might take a few moments, so please be patient. Once complete, you can explore the Samsung Wearable application to customize watch faces, notifications, and various settings. If you experience any connection difficulties, a simple restart of both your phone and smartwatch often resolves the issue. Enjoy your newly connected Samsung smartwatch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.